So, volcanoes. Is that done? Chemical reactions are when one or more substances turn into one or more different substances. And in general, with chemistry, there are 4 good pieces of evidence for a chemical reaction. The first piece of evidence is the formation of gas. Cool. The second piece of evidence for a chemical reaction is a change in color. Cool. The third piece of evidence for a chemical reaction is the release or absorption of energy. Cool. The final piece of evidence for a chemical reaction is the production of a solid or a precipitate. I didn't film one. I'll do one later. Cool. Let's talk about the decomposition of ammonium dichromate. I like ammonium dichromate. It's a cool chemical reaction. This reaction is great for showing different types of evidence of chemical reaction, and generally when we're teaching chemical reactions, we go over 4 pieces of evidence for those reactions. We start with this awesome orange color of the ionic compound. That's gonna be so bad. I love it so much. And it turns into this excellent black-green, kind of like powder. Next, it produces this awesome gas, and we can see in the chemical reaction that when it's going, it throws up that green powder into the air and even out of the glassware. Last but not least, this chemical reaction releases a good amount of energy, and you can see this through the flames that are being produced in the chemical reaction. For this reaction, we're going to work entirely in the fume hood. Take about 1 to 2 grams of ammonium dichromate and then place it into a round bottom flask. You're going to place that round bottom flask about an inch or 2 above a Bunsen burner and light it up. This reaction takes a few seconds to get going, but once it does, you'll know. This awesome volcanic-like reaction is extremely exothermic. It produces a lot of energy, and in doing so, it also produces a lot of gas, spitting up that product. As stated before, there's an awesome color change where it goes from orange to dark green or almost black.